My dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. In my today's class, I welcome all of you. I am Taran Akhtar, Assistant Teacher, Pallavi Majidul Islam Model High School. Dear students, at first you look at the pictures. You see, this is the picture of a woman and her name is Pritilota. And another picture is on Surya Sen, who was a famous organizer of anti-British movement. This is the picture of Pahartoli European Club. Now you tell me, what do you know about them and why are they well known? I hope you have guessed, as I have given you hint. Both of them are member of anti-British movement. They were activists. So our today's topic is they had dreams from Unit 10, Lesson 3B. From today's lesson, you will learn about dream of some people like Pritilota, and from today's lesson you will learn dreams of Pritilota, and this unit is about dreams of many people. Learning outcomes. After this lesson, you will be able to talk about pictures, infer the word meaning from the text, find out information from the text, write about a person. Now I will tell you word meaning of some difficult words. Graduate. Graduate means to achieve a university degree. Mr. Purno graduated from the University of Dhaka. Activist. A member of a certain social or political group. Mrs. Sultana Kamal is a human rights activist. Discrimination means different attitude to people. Women should not face any discrimination in their life. Combat means battle or fighting with arms. The soldiers are having combat training. Notorious means dishonorable. Taking bribe is a notorious work. Now I will give you some information about Pritilota Waddar. Born 5 May 1911, died 24 September 1932. Cause of death, suicide by consuming potassium cyanide. Nationality British Indian. Nickname was Rani. Occupation school teacher. Known for Pahartoli European Club attack, which was happened in 1932. Parents' name. Father's name was Jagabandhu Waddar and mother's name was Pratibha Devi. Now this is the time to read the text. You open page number 134 and read the text silently to understand the meaning of the text. Pritilota Waddar was born in Chattogram on 5 May 1911. She was a meritorious student at Dr. Khastagir Government Girls' School in Chattogram and Eden College, Dhaka. She graduated in philosophy with distinction from Bethune College in Kolkata. In her college days, Pritilota was an activist in the anti-British movement. All through her life, she dreamed of two things: a society without gender discrimination and her motherland free from British colonial rule. So she decided to fight against the British rule. Soon after, Pritilota became the head teacher of Nandokanon Aparna Charan School in Chattogram. In this regard, I want to say you that at present Chattogram is known as Chittagong. Gradually, she involved herself in Surya Sen's armed resistance movement. Surya Sen was a famous anti-British movement organizer and revolutionary activist in Chattogram area at that time. In 1932, he planned an attack on the Pahartoli European Club. The club was well known for its notorious sign at its entrance: "Dogs and Indians not allowed." Surya Sen assigned Pritilota to lead a team of 10 to 12 men to attack the club. The raid was successful, but Pritilota, dressed as a man, failed to get out of the club. She committed suicide by taking potassium cyanide to avoid arrest. She proved that women can work like men. She also proved that women too needed to be prepared to sacrifice their lives for freedom from the British colonial rule. Her dream finally came true. The British rule came to an end in 1947, though she couldn't see it during her lifetime. So this passage is about Pritilota, who was an activist in the anti-British movement. She was a meritorious student and completed her studies successfully in Chittagong. She received combat training to fight against British rule. She worked with Surya Sen, who was an anti-British movement organizer. Pritilota was a great warrior. She sacrificed her life for the sake of our country. Now, dear students, you see there is a matching from this text. You have to match column A with their meaning in column B. At first, you read the words and their meaning. I hope you are trying. Now you see what is the answer of the matching. Graduated, took a university degree. Activist, a member of a certain social or political group. Movement means activities. Gender discrimination, inequality between male and female. Colonial rule means rule by a powerful country over a weaker country. Combat means fight. Gradually, slowly. Resistance, battle. Notorious, dishonorable. And assign means give responsibilities. Now I will give you some questions and I will show you how you will write the answer of this question. Answer might vary, but the answer will be like this. The first question is, why did Pritilota fight? The answer will be like this. Pritilota fought in Chittagong. In 1932, she attacked on the Pahartoli European Club. Second question is, when did she fight? The answer will be, she fought against British government. Why did she fight? She fought against the British rule to free her motherland. The answer of second question will be, when did she fight? She fought against British government in 1932. Question number 4. What was Pritilota's profession? She was the head teacher of Nandokanon Aparna Charan School in Chittagong. Question number 5. What is your learning from Pritilata's life? The answer will be we should fight against illegal activities and serve the country. Or you can write that from this learning we have learned that we should fight against illegal activities and we should serve the country. Now you see there is a fill in the gap here. Clues are given. The clues are tell, name, injured, plan, commit, ideal, attack, found. You have to fill in the blanks using these clues. In 1932, Surya Sen dashed to attack the Paharthuli European Club, which had a signboard that read, "Dogs and Indians not allowed." Pritilata was dashed to lead the attack. Dressing herself as a Punjabi male, Pritilata with her team dashed the club on September 23 at 10:45 p.m. Dash and trapped by the British police, Pritilata swallowed cyanide and dashed suicide to avoid arrest. Bangladeshi writer Selina Hussain calls Pritilata and Dash for every woman. A trust named Birkonna Pritilata Trust has been dashed in her memory. A dormitory of Jahangirnagar University called Pritilata Hall has been dashed after Pritilata Waddar. Now you see the answer of this gap. First one is planned, B told, C attacked, D injured, E committed, F ideal, G founded, and H named. Now, dear students, take your homework from this text. You see there are 4 questions here. You will read the answer of these questions reading the text. So this is all about my today's class. Thank you all for joining my class. Allah Hafiz.